Dear students, as your final exams are approaching, we at IPM International School have developed the online written test module to conduct your written exam via the Island portal. The final exams will be written exams and not multiple choice tests like you did during your unit test. The process of exam will be similar to your assignments except the question paper. The question paper will only be available at the scheduled time as per your exam timetable and not before that. Students will download the question paper and complete the written exam in their exam copies and then upload their handwritten copies before the scheduled end time. The test date and time for download and upload will be clearly given. Now in this video, I will demonstrate how to use the online written test module. After opening the Island on your device, you have to click on the online written test tab. You will find the scheduled paper on your screen. You have to check the date, the examination date and time, and wait for the exam, this written exam, to start. You can click here to read guidelines for submission of answer sheet. I will be reading few points for you. Students are to write all their answers by hand in their respective test copies. Typed answer sheets are not acceptable. Students whose answers are exactly the same as other students will be given a 0. So remember, you have to write the answers in your own words. Children, remember, the test time given includes time for downloading and printing the PDF question paper, that is 10 minutes. Time for reading and writing as per the time mentioned on the question paper, and uploading the scanned answer scripts 10 minutes. Therefore, 20 minutes extra time is already given over and above the time required to write your answers. Therefore, no extra time will be allowed due to any reason, including power cut or internet disruption. You have to write your name, class and section, exam subject and date on the top right corner of the first page of your answer script. Upload your completed answer script in a single PDF format file like you do for your assignments. The PDF file size should not exceed 10 MB. You may start uploading your answer script at least 10 minutes before the end time of the test. Uploading facility will be disabled after end of the time given. Students who do not upload their answer script before the end time will be marked absent. You will get only one chance to submit your answer script, so be very careful while selecting and uploading the correct file from your device. The preview and upload button helps in selecting the correct file. In case you face any problem using the feature, only then use upload without preview. Uploading a wrong junk file will result in you getting 0 marks. So this is the guideline for the test. Now let us see how we have to give our online written exam. Now you can see over here the test is already started, and from here you can download your question paper. You can download the question paper from here. This is your question paper. Either you can print it if you have a printer at home, or else you can simply open this page and then start writing your answers. Remember, children, that you have to write your name, class, section and subject on the first page of your answer script. After you have finished writing, you have to upload your answer script in the same manner as you upload your assignments. So what you have to do, you have to click here, then choose your file which you want to upload your answer script. Go to the location where your answer script is, click on the script. Please change it to PDF before uploading. Click on open. Your file will be uploaded. Now what you have to do over here, you can preview your upload. So for that you have to click preview and upload. You will be able to see your answer script. Just check whether the document which you are uploading is correct or not. And after that you can click on confirm and submit button. As soon as you click on the confirm and submit button, your answer script will be uploaded. And it will show you over here the message you have submitted your answer script. Remember, although the file size allowed is 10 MB, however, for quicker upload, students should try to keep file size as less as possible, like you do for your assignments. In case you are new to iLearn or have not submitted any assignments earlier, please go through the video link on how to use the ClearScanner app to create a single compact PDF file. The link is given at the bottom of the instructions. Thanks for watching the video. All the best for your exams.